Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Thanks for coming along. Today we're looking at Tesco peeled new potatoes in water. Now I did one of these. I don't think it was Tesco's, it was Sainsbury's or something like that. Coke. I forget guys because I do that many descriptions. How are you doing this weekend? Are you on your own? Are you lonely? Are you happy? Are you with someone? Or just generally just chilling out? So I'm just going to put them all in. As you can see, they're quite small those, aren't they? So according to the instructions, which is, I'm going to show you now, let the camera focus in. Alright, that's what's in it. I'll turn that around again. Please pause this video and excuse my thumb because I had an accident with it the other day. Yes, enough of that. Hammers and thumbs don't go along, hope you know. Bash myself a few times. Right, okay guys, so just pop it in the microwave and for about 4 minutes. This is a 900-watt microwave as well, you know, pretty quick. Yeah, 5 or 6 minutes, but again, I'm just going to put the microwave for speed. And we're going to, the next video, we're going to keep watching, is going to be these, but that's going to be a separate video. The Dell. Alright guys, I've got those out of the microwave, about 4 minutes, about the same in the hob, slightly quicker in the microwave. Right, we'll try one of these up. Oh, not bad. I mean, you know what? Potatoes are really fast, especially out of a can, and you get a dead generous amount. There's enough for 2 people there, easy. As far as potatoes, I don't really think they taste like the stuff that you just get out the ground. I mean, although they have been in the ground, but new potatoes, they all sort of taste the same. But yeah, I recommend them guys for a quick meal. This can was given to me by a friend, so would I buy it? No. But it's handy for anyone with a family, or you live on your own and have it in the house, and they do make quick meals. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you again.